Hello, everyone. I'm a representative of Mobius Ventures Group, and today I'm here to talk to you about hybrid machining and our hybrid machine. So here's a little bit about us. We develop and build hybrid machines, and we develop hybrid thermoplastics, all with the use of responsible AI and automation. So part of our team I'm telling you about today is myself, Barbara Womack, the owner and director of research. I have a co-owner, Ryan Womack, the director of operations. We're of course expanding, and we have a partner, Camino Energy, who's working on a nuclear reactor. So I'm here today to explain to you a little bit also about what is hybrid manufacturing. So it's a process that combines additive, 3D printing, and subtractive manufacturing, traditional machining, which is CNC, in a single machine or workflow. So we'll talk more about this in depth. And within our next slide, I'm actually going to show you an example of a hybrid manufacturing machine and explain a little bit about what's going on in this environment. So right here we have one of our competitors, and this is a very large company. Some of you may have heard of it, DMG Amori, and this is their new DED hybrid machine. So this machine is created to do multiple tasks to finish a metal part all in one process in this one unit. As you can see, this unit is really large. It's probably around 13 feet at a minimum. So we're looking at 4 feet each section and about 6 feet, 8 feet high, and 4 feet in depth. So this can't be moved. It's really an energy hog, and there's a lot of things going on with this machine. So I really will elaborate on this in the next couple of slides, but we're their competition, and we're looking to make this compact, transportable, and used for plastics and metals within one machine while performing multiple tasks. So today I'm going to talk about a few of the industry problems and how we're going to have our solutions. So speaking about the DMG, they have a large facility which requires large teams. So they are usually they're more inept to stick with the same type of design. A lot of their printers currently are housed in those big containers, which are really awful for consuming energy. And they have techs that are used to making these repairs and adjustments. So they just keep designing things to the similar models that they currently have. Our solution, well, we'll have employees that are encouraged to assist with emerging tech platforms and new technological advancements and issues with our machine and with our design. And we will be able to monitor and maintain the mil spec of our part production real time. So you'll be able to have a real time generated report if there's any defects or material flaws. So how are we different? What is our value? So we use the use of responsible AI in our production process, and we actually fact check our data that is in our particular server. We don't just pull from the internet. And we have a compact design, and it's for the ease of transport and use. Our market analysis, just to really summarize things, we're at a $150 billion industry. We're looking to capture about 1.5% of this total market, which is expected to grow at about 7.5%. Just for the sake of time, this is a quick slide about our strengths and weaknesses between us and our competitors. And this is how we plan to measure up. This is our projected business plan and what we project to make with the funding, given the funding revenues that we actually already have out in place and are currently working on. Our vision is to create a machine that will replace the need for multiple machines in locations where labor and resources are limited and scarce. I wanted to take this time to invite you to ask a lot of questions. We had a lot of information within our slides that I couldn't address today. So we're definitely open to those questions, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. And there's our contact.